This Century 21 all-service property video is presented by Ken Cobb. Welcome home to 112 Cedarwood Court. This amazing home sits on private 2.6 acres and is located in sought-after forest area. Desirable open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, features hardwood floors, great room with cozy gas logs, 63 built-in TV, beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, stainless appliances and tiled floor and backsplash. The main level offers master suite with private bath with double sinks, huge walk-in closet with built-in shoe rack, picture window brings in lots of natural light, second bedroom and another full bath. Head downstairs to yet another living area and the third bedroom and full bath, and a 2-car garage. Full walk-up attic for future expansion. Enjoy your morning coffee on your 30 by 20 screen and porch overlooking flat backyard with pear and peach trees and is surrounded by a privacy fence. New heat pump last year.